Hello everyone, and how are you today? It's Learning with Ngozi Akpeki. Now, this channel is dedicated to teaching preschoolers and those who are young at heart different fun and engaging lessons. Currently, we are releasing our videos every week on Tuesdays, and you don't want to miss what we have in store for you every week. If it's something you need to learn, we are here to teach. Are you ready for today's lesson? Let's ride. Okay, this week we have preschool science. Last week we started a series on some cute animals from around the world. We looked at echidnas. This week we are going to be talking about penguins. Penguins. Do you know that there are different species of penguins in the world? Do you also know that not all the species of penguins live close to the Antarctic? There is actually a species of penguin that live in the continent of Africa. Yeah, you heard me. So this week, we are going to be learning 6 fun facts about the African penguins. Are you ready? Because I am so excited to teach today's lesson. Fun fact number 1. Let's talk about their habitation. That is where they live. African penguins are resident to southern Africa. They have their breeding colonies in the western coast and islands between South Africa and Namibia. Fun fact number 2. We are going to be talking about their features. That is how they look like. African penguins are flightless birds. That means they cannot fly, just like other penguins. They have black face and a black beak. They have black thick feathers covering all over their back, and in front they have white thick feathers covering them. Some people actually call them the tuxedo birds. Now, what makes the African penguins different from other penguins? Number 1, they have an upside down black marking, upside down letter U black marking running across their chest, as you can see in the picture on the screen. Fun fact number 3. We are going to be talking about a special feature of them called countershading. Now, we said they have black covering at the back and then white in front. Are they useful? You will find out soon. Now, the black feathers on their back helps to hide them from predators, those who would like to eat them, like sharks and seal. They like to eat dolphins. So the black feathers on their back help to protect them from sharks and seal, as well as other animals in water who would like to eat them when they are swimming above the penguins. Below, the white marking helps to protect them from these animals that like to eat them, which we call predators, when they are swimming below the penguins. If they look up, I'm sure they would think they are still looking at the sky or a picture of the cloud. and they would know that penguins are swimming above them. So their body covering is actually useful. It helps them to camouflage while swimming in water. Fun fact number 4, it is adaptation. How do they survive in the warm climate of Africa? Now from this picture, you can see a pink patch of skin above each eye. Now this pink patch of skin is very, very useful. It helps them to thermoregulate. That is, it helps the penguin to maintain a balanced body temperature, both in hot weather and in cold weather. This is how they adapt in warm and cold weathers. So they always thermoregulate. Fun fact number 5, African penguins are excellent swimmers. They use their flippers to move in water. Remember I said that their wings are flattened into flippers and they swim beautifully in water. They waddle clumsily on land, but when it comes to water, they are excellent and graceful swimmers. Fun fact number 6, endangered. Wow. Sadly, these beautiful African penguins are endangered. That means not many of these African penguins are remaining in the world. Why are they endangered? They are endangered as a result of our activity. We have taken into commercial fishing off the coast of Africa, fishing in large quantity, and while they fish, the food reduces. Now, penguins feed on fish, so when they have low fish to eat and predators hovering around them, and you have seagulls trying to steal their eggs, oh dear, it's really affecting them. And that is the reason why they are reducing in their number. And if we don't help them, very soon we will not have any more African penguins. That would be so sad. What can we do to save these beautiful birds? I would like you to discuss with an adult around you. Talk with your parents. You can leave a comment, your response in the comment box. This brings us to the end of our lesson, but before that, I am going to show you a video of African penguins in motion. Yay! So, what's your favorite part of the video? My favorite part of the video is watching them bray like a donkey. Let me see if I can do that. Oh dear, I couldn't do that. I guess it's only the African penguins that can breathe like that. Okay, it's been nice spending time with you today. Don't forget to leave nice comment for me, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So we'll see you next week. Keep a date because something interesting is coming up. Hello once again. Next week we are going to be looking at the blobfish. Some actually call it the ugliest fish in the world or the ugliest animal in the world. Do you agree with them? Do you have a different view? Hold tight to your thoughts till we come your way next time in a lesson. Till I come your way next in a lesson on this blobfish. See you. Bye.